Hello people, this is Peter Styler and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. Turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any video. Okay, so let's jump into today's topic. Okay, so let's jump into our main topic, which is grafting dreadlocks. So what is grafting dreadlocks? Grafting dreadlocks is the act of joining two pieces of locks together. So this is what happens. You grab a lock extension and you attach it to the original hair that is growing from the root. You can choose to graft it from you can choose to graft the hair from the root or graft the hair from the tip. This one depends on how long the hair is. But the purpose of this video, we will be grafting the locks from the tip of the hair. So something you have to pay in perspective is that you need to graft the same ratio of extension, i.e., I mean this, you have to have the same thickness. You can't graft a very thick lock to a very thin lock. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't even look uniform. You need to have the same ratio. If your lock extensions is a ratio of 1, the other the hair to be grafted is supposed to be in ratio of 1. So it has to be 1-1, not 1-2 or 1-3. The thing is, if you the locks look really tough, but if so much weight or even necessary weight is added onto them, they grow so weak and they start weighing down your original lock, and eventually you lose your lock or they fall off. This is not what we want. The purpose of adding extensions is to help you or to facilitate styling, or just to make it look more neat. And I'm not basing this one as a protective style, but it's a really good technique. It's a really good thing if you add extensions to just grow out your original locks, and after some time you can choose to cut them or you can choose to continue with them. And I would really advise you to get someone who knows how to do the crochet. It's good. We have two techniques, we have two ways of doing the crochet, and one way of doing the crochet is through doing the parallel technique. You comb out the tip of the main hair and you comb the tip of the extension and you join them together, maybe like at a 5 centimeters interval. You join them together and you use a crochet which is 0.5, 0.6, 0.1.0, whichever crochet you're much comfortable with. I'm comfortable with the 0.75 crochet. Crochet the locks together. There are videos I've done down there. There are videos I've done on this channel on how to crochet the hair. You'll be able to learn how to crochet the locks together, and if you can't really understand, you can follow this video. Just pull some pieces of hair from one end to the other. That means pull pieces of hair from left to right, and pull other pieces of hair from right to left. See? So it's left to right, right to left. And if you have excess hair, you can cut them, but make sure you don't cut the original lock. Cut the extension, it's okay. And you need to be really gentle on this, else you are going to break the original hair. You are going to break the hair from the roots. So be gentle on this, be gentle on the crochet, because you can mess up a lot. If you understand this technique, it's going to really work for you, because some people will have short locks and they wish to extend them. Then the easiest thing to do is use a crochet that is a 0.6, 0.7, 1.0 millimeters hook. Just use the one that you're most comfortable with, and take great care, concentrate when you're doing crochet, because when it pokes you along the process, trust you me, you don't want to work again, you don't want to graft the hair again. It's always nice to go slow. You'll pick up the pace as you graduate into the crochet technique. And after the crochet, the best thing for you to do is you need to balance all the hair. So you need to cut the hair so that it balances from the back to the front, and from there you're good to go. You can always let it hang loose, because it looks so original, right? So I prefer grafting the locks when they are dry, because it helps me have a nice grip. And now, after grafting the hair, I've colored the hair so that it was going to be uniform. All of it is going to be uniform, because sometimes the hair to be grafted doesn't have the same color as the client's hair, or it doesn't have the same color with the hair that I'm going to graft. So it's always good to color the hair, and after this, retouch the hair with the kind of technique that you use. Some people use the crochet, some people use molding gel. So the kind of technique you use to make your hair neat, go ahead and use it. You can choose to let them hang loose. As for the client, I choose not to let the hair hang loose. It's good to secure the hair for some time, and probably it's always nice to revisit the point you have grafted the locks together, just to tighten, or just to see whether the point of attachment is strong enough. So there goes the end product, and I hope you guys have liked the video. Subscribe for more of this, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I'll be glad to answer you. Okay.